Alright, so nagbabalik na naman tayo for today's video. I want to talk about style and technique. Okay, so these two commonly nai-interchange siya, but it's important that we understand one from the other or ma-distinguish natin yung pinagkaiba niya because for a lot of musicians, no, understanding what style is and what technique is could help foster a better understanding of the things that they do, no. Ayan. So madalas naririnig naman natin yan, no, technique, style, genre, or whatever. It might sound the same pero magkaiba. Let's start with technique first, no. So technique is the set of tools or set of movements or the things that you need to work on in order for you to perform better. Okay, so regardless of genre, regardless of kung anong klaseng music yung tutugtugin, that is technique, no? So, mako-compare natin to sa let's say sa painting or sa drawing, which is yung technique nila is the use of the lines, the use of the colors, the use of shading, 'di ba? Lahat to are very fundamental, no. Sa pag-violin for example, ano ba yung mga techniques? So articulation, tone, intonation, 'di ba? Bowing, left hand, vibrato, lahat 'yan. Kasama yan sa technique. So, ibig sabihin, technique is something that you need, no? It's the set of skills that you need in order to be able to perform or play the instrument well. So, ibig sabihin, kahit anong tinutugtog mo, dapat stable or maganda or maayos yung technique mo. Now, style or genre, pwede natin silang pagsamahin kasi, is the way of how you're using your techniques in order to create a certain sound. No? So for example, kasi it's not limited to a style or a genre. Even to period music, no? For example, kapag magpe-play ka ng Bach, it's a different way of playing than playing Mozart, no? Than playing Tchaikovsky piece, no? And then sa pop, ganun din, 'di ba? It's a different way of playing pop music. Iba rin yung fiddling, iba yung jazz, no? So lahat 'yan magkakaiba, but in essence, you have to have good technique. Okay? So ang style is you're tweaking the techniques that you have para ma-accommodate mo yung gusto mong tunog. Okay? So you can be a master of one style, pero in order for you to master that style, of course, you need good technique. Kaya nga meron ako nakita dito, no, sa TikTok na parang sinabi niya, she was a trained fiddler. And sabi niya nga, na kahit napatugtugin siya ng classical music, kayang-kaya niyang tumugtog. No? Because again, the same bowing, the same structure, the same way of playing, ititweak mo lang, magiging ibang style na. So, a lot of people use kasi the term na parang, ay hindi ko genre yan or hindi ko style yan kaya hindi ko kayang tumugtog or nahihirapan akong tumugtog. And we use that as an excuse para hindi na tayo mag-ensayo, no? And pangit 'yun kasi, 'di ba? Dapat as a musician, yung versatility mo doesn't really come with just, pang jazz lang ako or pang classical lang ako or pang pop lang ako. Because again, lahat naman 'yan, iisa lang yung technique na pwede nating gamitin, na kailangan nating gamitin, 'di ba? So I'm not saying na hindi ka pwedeng kailangan hindi pwedeng hindi mo matugtog lahat. Pero basically, if you have a good set of foundations, no, if you have fundamentals that are really well prepared, no, kahit anong patugtog sa'yo, kaya mong matugtog. It might not be perfect, it might not be as good as, for example, if classical player ka tapos tumugtog ka ng pop, hindi mo makukuha yung style agad na gusto nila or na kailangan mo, but you can still do it, no? Hindi siya magiging hadlang for you to to not be able to play it, no? So, ganun nyo siya isipin, no? Don't take a style is something na impossible for you to do if you're not a player of that style. Of course, meron pa rin mga mastery, but if you're masking style because of your lack of technique, doon tayo magkakaroon ng problema. No? Na-experience ko kasi to because I have a lot of students who are also gigging musicians, no? Natatakot sila kasi yung fundamental na tinuturo ko, for example, is parang natatakot silang i-apply dun sa ginagawa nilang style. Which is, for example, may student ako who plays jazz, no? And parang nagkakaroon siya ng context wherein, hindi ko yata pwedeng gawin yung classical way of playing ko sa jazz style. Which is not true, no? So, yung magandang tunog to get a good and big sound and loud sound is almost the same. May ititweak lang ng konti. Pero, you have to apply the same amount of discipline, the same amount of technique or refinement of that technique para makuha mo siya. Diba? So, lahat ng natututunan mo na basic, pwede mong baguhin para magawa mo yung certain style. Diba? It's the same way that a staccato from a baroque piece is different from a staccato from a classical piece. Diba? Iba-iba yung styles, iba-iba yung way of playing, but if you have a good idea of how to do a certain stroke, a certain articulation, magagawa mo yan. Okay? So, again, at the end of the day, it all boils down to how good your fundamentals are. Kaya wag niyong kalimutang mag-practice ng open strings, wag niyong kalimutan mag-practice ng scales, wag niyong kalimutan mag-practice ng long tones, no? Para yung tone production niyo hindi mawala. Because it's just a matter of paanong timpla ba yung gagawin mo to produce a certain type of sound, 'di ba? Your sound can adapt to any style if your basics or your foundational techniques are good. The same way sa painting, 'di ba? Lahat naman ng drawing or painting uses the same lines. It's just put in a different manner or in a different style or in a different way. Pero lahat 'yan may shading, lahat 'yan may color, lahat 'yan may line work. So all of those things matter. And being able to shift styles would help you land better jobs, 'di ba? Better gigs, better performances. Because pag versatile ka, you can play anything. Because again, maganda yung foundations mo. You'll be a much better musician overall. So sana nakatulong ko to. If it did, comment down below. If you have other questions, you want to share your experiences with this type of things, just put it in the comments. And I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.